What if I told you there's an AI tool that lets you create stunning art without even typing a prompt? No restrictions, no paywalls, just pure creativity. And the best part? It's free. Welcome to IdeaPlex. Today, we're diving into OpenArt AI, the AI art generator that's changing the game. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your ideas into masterpieces in seconds. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works, what makes it different, and even show you some tricks to make it your own personal art factory. Trust me, by the end, you'll want to try it for yourself. OpenArt AI is one of the easiest tools out there for generating AI art. Think Mid-Journey vibes, but built into a clean, no-hassle interface you can access on your browser. Whether you're a digital artist, marketer, or just love experimenting with AI, this platform has something for you. You can create images just by typing a text prompt and it generates multiple stunning versions in seconds. But what makes it stand out is how much control it gives you. Want to fine-tune the style? Add your own model? Even paint over images? It's all there. And yeah, it's not just for pros. Beginners can dive right in and start creating without needing any tech background. Most AI tools force you to describe what you want. OpenArt? You can literally scribble a rough sketch and it'll turn it into polished art. Plus, their character consistency feature is a game changer for comic artists or brands needing uniform designs. OpenArt's innovative suite of AI-powered tools. From effortless in-painting to precise object removal, their advanced features empower you to achieve stunning transformations in seconds. At OpenArt, creativity knows no bounds. Explore a diverse array of AI-generated artistic styles and models to experiment with. In just a few simple steps, you can create your own custom AI models, perfectly aligning with your brand's unique style and ensuring character consistency. Whether you're refining AI illustrations or personalizing your artwork, this platform simplifies customizing AI to meet your specific artistic needs. This is perfect for content creators, influencers, or even as profile pics for social. And yes, the results are shockingly good. Bring stories to life with custom-generated visuals. Create compelling book covers, blog illustrations, and social media content with ease. AI extends image boundaries while preserving detail and quality. AI. First stop, the login screen. This is where the magic begins. As you can see, OpenArt gives you a bunch of super quick ways to sign in, whether that's Discord, Google, Twitter. For this video, I'll go ahead and sign in with Google, but honestly, any of these options work the same. Alright, let's click through and get started. Alright, we're inside. Welcome to the OpenArt dashboard. This is where all your creative power lives. Over here on the left sidebar, you've got your creative toolbox. Options like create, character, videos, edit, and more. You can choose your model or character. Right now, I've got one called Flux Dev selected. You can switch it up depending on the vibe you're going for. Then comes the fun part, the prompt box. This is where you tell the AI what you want. You be descriptive. Think mood, style, and scene. The AI loves detail. And check this out. Below the prompt, you've got image guidance tools. These are awesome if you want more control. You can upload an image, use pose reference, or even a sketch to guide the AI's imagination. Each creation costs credits, but you get some free to start. You'll see that here at the bottom. Not sure what to type? Use the prompt builder or explore community-generated prompts to get inspired. Next up, let's talk about one of the coolest features on OpenArt, video generation. Yup, you can actually create short animated clips just by describing a scene. On the left sidebar, click videos and you'll land here. Make sure you've got the image tab selected if you're using image to video. Now here's the secret sauce, your video model. This is what powers the animation. Each one has its own specialty. Below that, you've got your creativity slider. Crank it up if you want the AI to freestyle a bit more. OpenArt lets you train a personal model in minutes. You can also tweak poses, add objects, or even change art styles mid-creation, something even Mid-Journey can't do easily. Train your own model. Card. This is your gateway to fine-tune a new model. Clicking this will bring you to the model setup page. Here's where you configure and start training your AI model. You need to upgrade to the essential plan or hire to train models. Currently, I am on a free trial. Select a type of model. Options, style, face, character, object. Model training costs 2000 credits. Create custom AI models for image generation. You are given 3 ways to start building a character. Start with description. Type a text prompt describing your character. Start with one image. Upload a single photo or drawing of a character. The AI will learn from that one image to generate similar poses, scenes, or angles. These are ready-made formats to visualize your character once generated. Clicking Join Discord can get you more trial credits if you need extra generation power without paying right away. It is designed specifically for building AI-generated characters you can reuse in your image generation projects. Go back to general image generation. Modify generated images or apply specific looks. Browse user creations for inspiration. Develop unique characters, immersive landscapes, and detailed concept art in minutes, streamlining the creative process for game design. Let's dive into the generation details. First up, we see the model used, Flux Dev, the engine behind this adorable creation. The magic starts with the prompt. A cat is playing with dog. Just that simple line brought this scene to life. With a scale of 3 for extra detail and 28 steps to fully render the image, the system worked its magic. Every image has a unique signature, called a seed. Think of it as the DNA of the image. Created at a crisp 1024 by 1024 pixels, giving us a perfect square canvas. Want to remix or reuse this masterpiece? Just tap Use Image and keep creating. The AI Apps Hub, a collection of powerful AI-powered tools designed to turn your creative ideas into reality. One standout tool here is Image to Video by OpenArt. With just a click, dive into the world of animated storytelling. This app lets you bring still images to life by converting them into stunning animated videos. Powered by Kling 1.6 or Hailuo, it adds motion depth and cinematic flair, perfect for social media, presentations, or even personal art projects. Whether you want a cute animated dragon or a cyberpunk warrior, the examples give you a glimpse into what's possible. From here, you can select your own image, explore generations from other creators, or filter results to find inspiration that matches your vibe. Ready to animate your imagination? With just a few clicks, your static images can become dynamic visual stories. So whether you're an artist, a storyteller, or just someone who wants to have fun with AI, OpenArt AI gives you the power to create, experiment, and play. It's like having a full art studio, powered by your imagination. You get 40 credits to start. For heavy users, the essential plan starts at 14 months. But honestly, the free tier is solid for hobbyists. Unlike some AI tools, you own the art you make here. Sell it, print it. No hidden copyright traps. If you want total creative freedom without prompt headaches, 100% yes. It's my top pick for quick, editable AI art. If you try it out, drop a comment with what you made. I seriously want to see. Try it yourself, link in description, and let me know what you create. Smash like if this helped, and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating. This is IdeaPlex signing off.